Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another nightwear slash lingerie haul. You guys are really loving my nightwear hauls these days. So here is another one, and today I'll be showing you everything that I got from Clovia. And Clovia is running their big lingerie fest and it has already begun from 20th of August, and you can select from a wide range of lingerie, activewear and nightwear collection. So I'll let you know about more details in a bit. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So the first set which I got from Clovia is this one. So basically this is a shirt and pajama set, and just look at the color. It is such a pretty green color, and it is designed with polka dot print all over, white polka dot print. And this combination is looking so nice, this green color combination with the white polka dot print all over. It's really looking so nice, and just look at this green color. It's such a pretty green color. And guys, basically it's a shirt. This is how it looks like. It has this collar detailing in the neck, and ऐसे front में buttons दिए हुए हैं, white color के buttons. And talking about the sleeves, इसकी 3/4 sleeves हैं. काफ़ी सही मेरे को ये वाला set लगा. And also guys, the fabric of this one is so nice. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा fabric है. And also guys, इसके साथ matching pajama भी आया. This is how it looks like. इसमें भी green color का है and white polka dot print दिया हुआ है. And also it has this elastic waistband and pockets on both the sides. Really loving this set, and I really loved this print and color, and इसका fabric भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Also guys, I'm gonna insert the screenshots of the nightwear on the screen along with the name, so that it will be easy for you guys to search on their app or website. And also I'll mention the link in the description box below, so you can directly click on that link and check out their collection. Let me just tell you about the Clovia's big lingerie fest. So the big lingerie fest has already started from 20th of August, and you can get up to 50 to 80% off across the site. Yes guys, you heard it right, 50 to 80% off. And also guys, there is an option of कैश ऑन डिलीवरी एज वेल. सो अगर आपको ऑनलाइन पेमेंट नहीं करना है, या फिर अगर आपके पास कार्ड नहीं है, तो आप कैश ऑन डिलीवरी का भी ऑप्शन चूज कर सकते हो. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, इट हैज इजी रिटर्न पॉलिसी एंड फ्री शिपिंग. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, यू कैन गेट अफोर्डेबल स्किन केयर and hair care products from Skivia's Corner. And I have a coupon code which is flashing on the screen right now. You can use this coupon code to get additional 10% off. And also guys, I'll mention this coupon code in the description box below. And yeah guys, this coupon code is just for you guys, so that you can get extra discount. I am not gonna get any benefit from this. So yeah guys, I'll show you the next nightwear which I got from Clovia. So this is how it looks like. It's in a pretty navy blue color. It's such a pretty color. And also guys, talking about the material, इसका material बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. It's like 100% cotton material. And also guys, this is how it looks like. It has this V-neck in the front, and short sleeves हैं इसके. And talking about the print, just look at this print guys. It has this cute owl print at just one side of the top, and it's just looking so damn pretty. Just look at this, it's looking really cute. Also guys, it comes with this matching pajama. Just look at this material, it's really nice. And it has this elasticated waistband and also pockets on both the sides. So yeah guys, इसमें ऐसा ये प्लेन ही पजामा है, एंड टॉप में ऐसे पिंक कलर का क्यूट आउल दिया हुआ है. सो आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू चेक इट आउट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, एंड इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर नाइट वेयर. So the next nightwear which I got from Clovia is this one. This is how it looks like. Just look at this cute print. It has this black and white checkered print all over, and it is looking so pretty. I'm really enjoying checkered prints these days, as you can see. And also guys, talking about the neck, it has this round neck and short sleeves, and इसके साथ matching pajama भी आता है. This is how it looks like. इसका पजामा थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. इट्स लाइक इन अ प्लाजो स्टाइल. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक, एंड इट हैज also this elasticated waistband and pockets. Yeah guys, Clovia के सारे नाइट वेयर्स में पॉकेट्स रहता ही है, विच इज़ रियली नाइस. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैब्रिक इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट नाइस. काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक है, एंड काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में मिला मेरे को ये. So the next nightwear set which I got from Clovia is this one. So basically this is a t-shirt and pajama set, and this is how the t-shirt looks like. It's in black color and its material is so good. It is crafted with like 100% premium cotton material. And talking about this t-shirt, it has this round neckline and this short sleeves. And also guys, just look at this print. Oh my god, it's so cute. इसमें ऐसे हार्ट बना हुआ है, and in that there is this text and geometric print in pink and white color. And you know, this combination of pink and white over black is looking so damn cute. And also guys, talking about the pajama, just look at this pajama. Oh my god, it's so soothing and calming. Just look at the colors, काफ़ी अच्छे कलर्स यूज़ किए हुए हैं. एंड यू नो, इसमें ग्रे, पिंक एंड वाइट कलर्स यूज़ किए हुए हैं. एंड इसमें वाइट कलर का ज्योमेट्रिक प्रिंट दिया हुआ है, एज यू कैन सी. It's looking so cute, and it has this elasticated waistband and it has pockets on both the sides. And also guys, talking about the t-shirt, आप इसको किसी नॉर्मली जीन्स या शॉर्ट्स के साथ भी पेयर कर सकते हो and it will look so cute. So now guys, talking about another PJ set which I got from Clovia. So this is how it looks like. It's in pretty mauve color. Oh my god, the color is so pretty and soothing. And you know, talking about the print, it has this polka dot print, white polka dot print all over. And इसमें V neckline है and ऐसे फ्रंट में बटन्स दिए हुए हैं. एंड ऑल्सो इसमें शॉर्ट स्लीव्स है. सो बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट पीजे सेट लग रहा है मेरे को ये. एंड यू नो, इसका मटेरियल इज ऑल्सो सो सॉफ्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है. एंड ऑल्सो इट कम्स विद दिस मैचिंग पजामा. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इसमें भी वाइट पोल्का डॉट प्रिंट दिया हुआ है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेस्ट लाइन, इट हैज़ दिस elasticated waistband and pockets on both the sides. So this set is looking so cute. And also guys, I got some lingerie from Clovia, so I'll show you. Guys, I got some lingerie from Clovia. So the first underwear which I got is this one. It's in pretty pink color. I don't know why it's looking red in camera, but it's in pretty pink color. And also it's like a medium coverage panty, and it has this seamless lining, so you can easily wear it under tight fitted skirts or pants. So this is the first panty which I got from Clovia. And also guys, Clovia पर अंडरवेयर के काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे ऑफर्स रहते हैं. लाइक यू कैन गेट 4 पैंटीज एट जस्ट ₹499. इट्स लाइक अ स्टील ऑफर. एंड ऑल्सो द क्वालिटी इज सो गुड. इट्स लाइक 100% प्रीमियम कॉटन क्वालिटी. एंड ऑल्सो गाइस, द नेक्स्ट अंडरवेयर विच आई गॉट इज दिस वन. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इसका कलर भी इज सो डैम प्रिटी एंड इसका फैब्रिक भी बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है. इट लिटरली प्रोवाइड्स फ्लॉलेस फिनिश अंडर बॉडी हगिंग आउटफिट एंड कम्स विद interlock stitching for no visible panty lines. It has this soft piping around the waistline which ensures that you have a snug fit on the body, and you can literally feel so confident and comfortable after wearing this. So अभी मैंने जो अंडरवेयर दिखाए थे वो सॉलिड कलर्स में थे. एंड आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस फ्लोरल प्रिंट अंडरवेयर. एंड यू नो, इसमें पर्पल एंड वाइट कलर का फ्लोरल प्रिंट है. एंड इसका फैब्रिक इज सो नाइस. इट्स स्ट्रेचेबल एंड ब्रीदेबल. So yeah guys, you can buy 4 panties from Clovia at just ₹499. And also I got some bras from Clovia. So this is how it looks like. This is such a pretty black bra, and you know, it has this sheer net and lace fabric. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड इसके जो स्ट्रैप्स हैं वो भी एडजस्टेबल हैं. एंड इट इज़ नॉन पैडेड टू अवॉइड एक्स्ट्रा बल्क. एंड इट इज़ अंडर वायर्ड, तो कुछ ड्रेसेस और टॉप्स पर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई गॉट दिस वन. इट्स इन नेवी ब्लू कलर एंड इसमें वाइट कलर की ऐसे डिटेलिंग दी हुई है एंड वाइट कलर का पोल्का डॉट भी दिया हुआ है. सो इट्स लुकिंग सो क्यूट. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, इट्स लाइक अ रेगुलर ब्रा. यू कैन यूज इट एवरी डे. एंड ऑल्सो इसमें कोई भी पैडिंग नहीं है, अंडरवायर नहीं है. सो इट्स वेरी comfortable to wear. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I'll mention all the links in the description box below. Go and check it out, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.